1, 2, 3. Finding a parental control app for Android can seem like searching for a needle in a haystack, but fear not! In this video, I am here to help you by taking you through some of the best parental control apps for Android, tailored to fit your specific parenting style and the needs of your family. So, let's dive in and take a look at the different features for each of these apps and how they can work for your family. All right, let's take a look at what we've got today. Bark, content alerts. Qustodio, location monitoring. Aura, website and social media blocking. Ready to explore these apps on your own? Check the description box below for some exclusive links to discounts. You get discounts on all of the services that we're talking about in the video, and you also support our channel, which I greatly appreciate. It's not even at no cost to you. It's at less cost to you. Who doesn't want that? Let's start with Bark. I know a lot of you are looking for an app that balances monitoring your child's online activity while also respecting their growing need for independence. Now, Bark is perfect for this. Bark can alert you to potential online risks without blocking content, allowing you to step in only when necessary. You can also set Bark to alert you when your child accesses content in 17 different categories. And you can further customize the app by adjusting the sensitivity in each of those categories based on your family's values and priorities. This allows you to engage in important conversations with your child about online safety without feeling overly intrusive. Bark also allows you to manage your child's screen time, allowing you to set schedules or pause the internet entirely depending on the time of day, which means your child is only online when you would like them to be, and not online at bedtime. They need sleep. They need so much more sleep than they think that they need. I want them to sleep. I want your kids to sleep. For your benefit. Although setting up Bark requires a little bit more legwork on your end than some of the other apps we're going to talk about today, it really is an excellent option for parents who want to respect their child's privacy while also still providing oversight. Now let's move on to Qustodio. Now this app offers specific features to help cater to kids who are increasingly active both online and off, and that includes location monitoring. Qustodio's location tracking is perfect for keeping up with your child's whereabouts, including both real-time location tracking or alerts for when they enter or exit specified areas like home or school. The app also includes a panic button for emergencies. If your child presses the button, you'll receive updates every 5 minutes of their location until you turn it off. You can also set up the app to blast out the SOS to multiple trusted contacts like your spouse or a family member. That way, if you are unreachable, help will always be on the way. Location tracking might be Questodio's best feature, but there is so much more you can do with this app. For example, you can tailor online restrictions using Questodio's flexible scheduling options, blocking certain apps during school hours, or offering more screen time on weekends. Qustodio also provides the option to gradually ease restrictions as your child becomes more responsible, sending parents alerts about specific types of content that get accessed rather than blocking that content altogether. This allows your child to still have that freedom, but you are still in the loop. Another thing I love about Qustodio is its ability to monitor text messages. Now, if they aren't already, your kids will start sending texts to friends and classmates. And with Qustodio, you have the ultimate tool to help teach your child what's appropriate and what's not when texting. Now, are you ready to start exploring Qustodio on your own? Check the link in the description for an exclusive discount and help support the show. What? I get something too? That's so nice. Yes, they are great. Now let's finish with Aura, which I have given the trophy for blocking websites and social media apps. If you are seeking an app with a robust online web filtering option, then Aura is the option for you. It is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, making it the perfect tool for managing the online activities of your little digital native. Boy, born into a world without these. I don't even know what this is. It features a user-friendly setup with a dedicated child mode that ensures the highest level of content filtering. Aura automatically blocks most offensive content, including inappropriate language or websites with adult themes. And you can also fine-tune what gets blocked by selecting from 28 different content categories. Aura can also prevent access to social media and email apps, helping you to avoid the potential pitfalls of your child sharing content online before they're ready. This also seamlessly integrates to the other apps installed on your child's phone, which helps save you precious time and allows you to enjoy some of the more, pleasurable parts of parenting. Or maybe just getting away from your kids for a second for a break. You ever need a break? I need a break. Plus, you can set daily screen time limits and even pause the internet access on their device entirely so that you can enjoy distraction-free activities together. Who knows, you might even convince them to go outside and leave their devices at home. Aura also offers an all-in-one solution with its family suite at a still affordable price. You'll get the parental controls that we've already talked about, but every member of the family, including the adults, gets things like identity theft protection and online data broker removal. Plus, you'll control all of this from one centralized dashboard. Now, I couldn't end a section on Aura without talking about their fantastic customer service. If you ever have an issue with setting up or using the app, you can call this number at any time and speak to a person, quickly. That about wraps up our roundup of the best parental control apps for Android that can be tailored to fit your parenting style while meeting the needs of your family. Don't forget to check that link in the description below for all of the discounts, and I'll see you in the next video.